Welcome to WordPress Interview Questions and Answers with Positive Zenith. Are there any tools or plugins available in WordPress to assist in managing and optimizing permalinks for SEO? Yes, there are plugins like Yoast SEO and All-in-One SEO Pack that offer permalink customization and optimization features. These plugins also provide recommendations for optimizing other SEO aspects, helping you improve your site's overall search engine visibility. Can you explain the impact of changing permalinks on existing content and SEO, and what precautions should be taken? Changing permalinks on existing content can have significant SEO implications, potentially resulting in broken links and loss of search engine rankings. Precautions should include setting up 301 redirects from old to new URLs, updating internal links, and monitoring traffic and search engine rankings to address any issues that may arise after the change. Careful planning and testing are essential when changing permalinks. Explain the purpose of the day and name permalink structure. The day and name permalink structure includes the publication date and post name in the URL. It's suitable for blogs and sites where the publication date is essential for context. However, it can result in longer URLs, which might not be ideal for SEO in some cases. How can you customize the permalink structure in WordPress? In WordPress, you can customize permalinks by navigating to the Settings and GT. Permalinks in the admin dashboard. Here you can choose from common permalink structures or create custom structures using placeholders. Save your choice to apply the new structure. How can you set up 301 redirects for old permalinks in WordPress? You can set up 301 redirects for old permalinks in WordPress using plugins like redirection or by editing your site's htaccess file. The redirection ensures that visitors and search engines are directed to the correct URLs, preserving SEO and user experience. How does WordPress automatically handle canonical URLs? WordPress automatically adds a canonical link element to the HTML head section of your pages to indicate the preferred URL. It's based on the permalink settings you choose. This helps search engines understand the canonical version of your content. What are permalinks, and why are they important for SEO? Permalinks are the URLs that point to specific pages or posts on a website. They are crucial for SEO because they impact how search engines and users perceive the content. Descriptive and well-structured permalinks improve SEO by making content more discoverable and understandable. What are some common URL structure best practices for optimizing WordPress websites for search engines and users? Common URL structure best practices include keeping URLs concise and descriptive, using hyphens to separate words, avoiding excessive use of categories or subdirectories in URLs, choosing a permalink structure that suits your content type, using canonical tags when needed to avoid duplicate content issues. What is a canonical URL, and why is it important for SEO? A canonical URL is the preferred or original URL for a piece of content, especially in cases of duplicate content. It's essential for SEO because it helps search engines identify the authoritative source and avoid indexing duplicate pages. Canonical URLs consolidate ranking signals and prevent content dilution. Why is it recommended to use hyphens in permalinks instead of spaces? Using hyphens, dashes, in permalinks is recommended over spaces because search engines and web technologies interpret hyphens as word separators, while spaces can cause issues or be encoded as %20 in URLs. Hyphens improve readability and SEO by creating clean, user-friendly URLs. Quick, informative, and ready for more? Subscribe to Positive Zenith. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Stay tuned for more in-depth interviews and interview preparation videos.